Revamping your living spaces with wood furniture offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. The incorporation of wood into your home can transform the ambience, functionality, and emotional resonance of your environment. This natural material brings with it a sense of warmth, character, and timelessness that can significantly enhance the quality of life within your living spaces. The journey of integrating wood furniture into your home can provide a fresh perspective on your surroundings, offering a blend of practicality, sustainability, and beauty. One of the most immediate benefits of introducing wood furniture into your living spaces is the aesthetic transformation it can bring. Wood has a unique ability to create warmth and depth, instantly making a room feel more inviting. The rich textures, grains, and tones found in various species of wood can complement a wide range of decor styles, from rustic to contemporary. This versatility allows homeowners to experiment with different designs and arrangements, resulting in a personalized space that reflects individual tastes and lifestyles. The visual appeal of wood furniture can elevate the overall ambience of a room, turning it into a place of comfort and relaxation. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of 90 wood furniture ideas and wooden decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to aesthetics, wood furniture contributes to a sense of cohesion and balance within a living space. The natural qualities of wood can harmonize with other materials, creating a well-rounded and visually pleasing environment. For instance, pairing wooden elements with soft textiles, metal accents, or stone features can create a dynamic interplay of textures that enriches the overall design. This balance is essential for fostering a sense of tranquility in your home, allowing you to enjoy a space that feels both curated and comfortable. The functionality of wood furniture is another significant advantage. Wood is a sturdy and durable material that can withstand the rigors of daily life, making it an ideal choice for various types of furniture. Whether it's a dining table that hosts family meals or a coffee table that serves as a gathering point for friends, wood pieces can endure years of use while retaining their structural integrity. This durability means that investing in wood furniture is often a long-term commitment, offering value that transcends initial costs. Moreover, wood furniture can be tailored to meet specific needs, enhancing the functionality of your living spaces. Custom designs allow homeowners to create pieces that fit their lifestyles, whether it's a multifunctional coffee table with hidden storage or a spacious dining table designed for entertaining. This level of customization ensures that each piece serves a purpose, optimizing the use of space and enhancing everyday living. By revamping your home with wood furniture, you can create an environment that is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Beyond practicality, the emotional impact of wood furniture cannot be underestimated. Many people experience a sense of comfort and nostalgia when surrounded by wooden elements. The warmth of wood evokes feelings of safety and familiarity, creating a nurturing environment that fosters relaxation. This emotional connection is particularly important in spaces where individuals seek refuge from the stresses of daily life. The presence of wood can transform a house into a home, offering solace and a sense of belonging. The use of wood furniture also allows for a deeper connection to nature. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and artificial materials, wood serves as a reminder of the organic beauty found in the natural world. The tactile experience of touching wood, the scent of freshly finished pieces, and the visual appeal of natural grains all contribute to a sensory connection that enhances well-being. This connection to nature can be particularly grounding, providing a sense of peace and balance in an otherwise chaotic environment. Sustainability is another compelling reason to consider revamping your living spaces with wood furniture. When sourced responsibly, wood is a renewable resource that can be harvested without depleting forests. This eco-friendly aspect resonates with modern consumers who are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact. By choosing sustainably sourced wood furniture, individuals can support practices that promote forest conservation and biodiversity. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the environment, but also enhances the overall value of your living spaces, aligning them with a more responsible lifestyle. The craftsmanship involved in creating wood furniture is also a significant aspect of its allure. Many wood pieces are handcrafted by skilled artisans who invest time and effort into their creations. This dedication to craftsmanship results in furniture that is not only functional, but also a work of art. By revamping your living spaces with handcrafted wood items, you not only elevate the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also support artisans and local economies. This appreciation for craftsmanship fosters a sense of connection to the items that fill your space, enriching the overall experience of living within those environments. Revamping your home with wood furniture can also promote a sense of community. Many individuals find joy in sharing their experiences related to woodworking and furniture design, whether through social media, local workshops, or community events. The act of choosing wood pieces can lead to conversations about craftsmanship, sustainability, and personal style, fostering connections with others who share similar values. This sense of community can enhance the enjoyment of your living spaces, as you engage with others who appreciate the beauty and significance of wood furniture. Additionally, the act of revamping your living spaces can itself be a rewarding experience. The process of choosing, designing, and arranging wood furniture encourages individuals to engage thoughtfully with their environments. This engagement promotes mindfulness and intentionality, allowing you to create a space that truly reflects your personality and lifestyle. The satisfaction that comes from transforming your home can be profoundly fulfilling, providing a sense of accomplishment and pride in your surroundings. The psychological benefits of revamping your living spaces with wood furniture are also noteworthy. Studies have shown that natural materials can positively impact mental health and emotional well-being. The presence of wood in your home can create a calming atmosphere that reduces stress and promotes relaxation. This can be particularly beneficial in areas designated for rest, such as bedrooms or reading nooks. By incorporating wood furniture into these spaces, you can enhance the overall sense of tranquility, creating an environment conducive to rejuvenation and peace. Moreover, wood furniture can serve as a conversation starter and a focal point within your living spaces. A beautifully crafted wooden piece can draw attention and spark discussions among guests. This social aspect of wood furniture encourages connections and interactions, transforming your home into a welcoming environment for gatherings and celebrations. The stories behind each piece, whether it's a family heirloom or a newly acquired item, can enrich the conversations that take place in your home, fostering a sense of connection and community. The timelessness of wood furniture further emphasizes its lasting value in revamping living spaces. Unlike trends that can quickly become outdated, wood possesses a classic appeal that transcends changing fashions. This timelessness ensures that wood pieces can seamlessly integrate into various design styles, making them versatile investments for your home. As you revamp your living spaces, incorporating wood furniture allows you to create a lasting aesthetic that can withstand the test of time, providing enduring beauty and functionality. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked 90 wood furniture ideas and wooden decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.